Good morning. This is Miss Winfrey's class, and we have been learning about animals on the farm, and today we met the hen, and we listened to what the hen said, and we learned how to spell hen, and we played our steady beat, and now we have learned the chicken dance. So we're going to perform the chicken dance. Here we go. Listen to the tempo. Here we go. Wiggle down. Good. Clap it, clap. Shake it, shake it. Good. Okay, here's the next section. What do? You fly. There we go. Even the chickens don't fly. Good. Can you fly in a little circle on your dog spot? So cute. Oh, let's be careful. Not to smack our neighbors. Okay, we're back to the A section, the chicken part. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Show me those chicken arms. Wiggle and clap. Chicken hands, chicken wings, and wiggle and clap. Hands, wings, wiggle, clap. Hands, wings, wiggle, and clap. Can you fly in a circle? Let's see you fly. This is the B section. Good.